Hello, second grade. So today's math lesson is lesson 7.8 on difference in measurements. So sometimes when we're measuring, we might want to find the difference. And we know that that word difference always means to subtract. What does the word difference mean? It always means to subtract. So when we're trying to find the difference in measurements, that means we're going to be using subtraction. The first thing we need to do if we are trying to find the difference in measurement is we need to make sure that we are using the same unit of measurement. So either you would use inches or you would use centimeters or you would use meters or yards. You have to pick one of those. For example, if I'm going to measure something in inches, that's what I'm going to stick with to find the difference in the measurement. So let's say I draw this line here. I drew an 8-inch line, and I'm just going to label this line A. And then I'm going to draw another line right below it. I'm going to draw another line right below it, except I'm going to make this line a little bit shorter. I'm going to make this line 5 inches. And I'm going to label this line B. Now I want to find the difference of these measurements. So I know that I measured line A to be 8 inches, and I measured line B to be 5 inches. So to find the difference, I'm just going to write a subtraction sentence. When I do a subtraction sentence, I'm always starting with the larger number. So in this case, the larger number is 8. So I will write 8. Let me make that 8 a little better. I will write 8 inches minus 5 inches. And that's the same thing as 8 minus 5. And we know that 8 minus 5 is 3. So the difference in these two lines is 3 inches. That's my answer. Let's try another one. Let's say, this time I'm going to use centimeters. And I'm going to draw a line that is 14 centimeters. That's line A, and it is 14 centimeters. Then I'm going to draw another line right below it. And I'm going to stop at 9 centimeters. This is going to be line B, and line B is 9 centimeters. So the next step that I'll do is I'll write my subtraction sentence. And when I do that, I always start with the larger number. In this case, the larger number is 14. So I will write 14 centimeters minus 9 centimeters. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and use the count back method to help me figure out the difference, starting with 14, counting back 9. So I will start with 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 14 minus 9 equals 5. That means the difference is 5 centimeters. 2 thumbs up if this is starting to make sense. All right, let's do one more. Let me go ahead and stick with centimeters. This time I'm going to draw line A and I'm going to make it 13 centimeters. Then I'm going to draw line B. Make line B 21 centimeters. So now I need to write my number sentence. And as you can see, this one is flip-flopped. So don't let that trick you. You always start with the largest number. In this case, the largest number is 21. So I write 21 centimeters minus 13 centimeters equals. So 21 minus 13 is what I'm trying to figure out. Now these are larger numbers, but don't let that trick you. We can always subtract larger numbers. So 21, take away 13. You can still do the count back method starting at 21. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And you have 8 centimeters as the difference. All right, friends. I think we should all have a pretty good understanding of this. If you do have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me via Dojo, and happy learning.